Appropriate prepositions part 2. Adapt for, meaning make suitable for. For example, the book was adapted for children. Add to, meaning increase or enhance. For example, his words added to my confusion. Addicted to, meaning dependent on something. For example, he is addicted to video games. Adequate for, meaning enough or suitable for. For example, this food is adequate for 4 people. Adequate to, meaning equal to a task or situation. For example, he is adequate to the job. Adjacent to, meaning next to or beside. For example, the park is adjacent to the school. Admit of, meaning allow or permit. For example, the situation admits of no delay. Admit to, meaning confess or acknowledge. For example, he admitted to the mistake. Admit into, meaning allow entry or access to a place or group. For example, she was admitted into the university. Adept in, meaning skilled or expert at something. For example, he is adept in graphic design. Adorn with, meaning decorate using something. For example, the room was adorned with flowers. Afraid of, meaning feeling fear about something. For example, she is afraid of dog. Afraid for, meaning worried about someone's safety or well-being. For example, I was afraid for my brother during the storm. Affection for, meaning a feeling of love or fondness towards someone or something. For example, she has deep affection for her grandmother. Affectionate to, meaning showing love or tenderness towards someone. For example, the mother was affectionate to her child. Agree with, meaning have the same opinion as someone. For example, I agree with your decision. Agree on, meaning reach a shared decision or opinion about something. For example, they agreed on a plan for the project. Agree to, meaning consent or accept a proposal, offer, or plan. For example, I agreed to the terms of the contract. Aim at, meaning target or focus on. For example, the project aims at improving education. Thank you. If you want more videos like this, hit the like button and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Thank you for your time. Stay connected, stay inspired,